Jai Sri Gurudev. Good morning, children. In previous class, I had taught you Unit 9 story Trees are our friends, and I explained the story to you. Along that story, I had sent you exercises from textbook and notes, classwork notes also. I hope you all are completed those work properly. So today I am going to teach you Unit 10 poem The Rainbow Fairies. Now children, all of you open your textbook page number 70. Unit 10, the poem name is The Rainbow Fairies, written by L.M. Hadley. So first I will explain the poem, first I will read the poem, then I will explain. Two little clouds one summer's day went flying through the sky. They went so fast they bumped their heads and both began to cry. Old Father Sun looked out and said, "Oh, never mind, my dears. I will send my little fairy folk to dry your falling tears." One fairy came in violet and one wore indigo, in blue, green, yellow, orange, red. They made a pretty row. They wiped the clouds' tears all away, and then from out the sky, upon a line the sunbeams made, they hung their gowns to dry. I repeat once again the poem. Afterwards I will explain to you. Okay. The Rainbow Fairies, written by L.M. Hadley. Two little clouds one summer's day went flying through the sky. They went so fast they bumped their heads and both began to cry. Old Father Sun looked out and said, "Oh, never mind, my dears. I will send my little fairy folk to dry your falling tears." One fairy came in violet and one wore indigo. In blue, green, yellow, orange, red, they made a pretty row. They wiped the clouds' tears all away, and then from out the sky, upon a line the sunbeams made, they hung their gowns to dry. Okay, so this is the poem, The Rainbow Fairies. I know all of you know about rainbow, children. Rainbow, after the rain, when we can see the sun in the sky. Sun will rise in the sky. That time only we can see the rainbow. Okay. So these are 7 colors. Indigo. All of you know about indigo. Indigo means INDIGO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here given. Indigo, that colors only you can see that rainbow. Two little clouds one summer's day went flying through the sky. Two clouds pieces, you see the picture, in summer's day they are flying in the sky. Suddenly they bumped, means unknowingly hit to each other and started to blast. How? They started to cry. Children, cloud cry means what happened, you know? It will start to rain. So they are telling crying. Okay, they are comparing the rain with cry, nature cry. Yes. Old Father Sun looked out and said, Old Father, who our father in nature? Sun. So looked out and said, "Oh, never mind, my dears. No, never mind. I will send a little fairy folk. So little fairy folk will come, fairies, you know, to dry your falling tears. Your whatever the tears are coming water, it will become very soon dry." One fairy came in violet and one wore indigo. In blue, green, yellow, orange, red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Vibgyor colors. 7 Vibgyor colors they are mentioned here. violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Okay. They made a pretty row. They make a pretty row with nice row only line. They came to make the dry to the clouds, tears, water. Okay. They wiped the clouds, tears all away, and then from the out the sky, how they dry, children? Upon a line, the sunbeams ray made. Sunbeam, ray of the sun. Ray of the sun means water will, any water or any wet things will be dry. No. So like that only, it will very soon. Sunbeams only, they make the dry the water of the clouds. Then they hung their gowns to dry. After they hung their gowns are become wet, no, for water, tears water. So after it will become dry for the sunbeams, means ray of the sun. Okay. See, this is the nature poem, children. I hope you can understand. And you have to, when you learn the poem, you have to learn with punctuation mark, full stop, everything, and big letter, capital. These are all are called punctuation mark. Full stop, comma, capital letter, big letters, apostrophe. You are not following in the exam. I observed, we are checking the correction doing. So many children are doing the mistake. I hope you can't do this kind of mistake next time. Now essay 2, second term of the exam academic year. So go to next page, page number 71. Here, see the top of the page, there are 3 meaning has given. Next, match the following. I did first one 2, second one 3, 4, 1. Okay. Choose the correct answer A2. That one also I did. See, choose the correct answer also AC. Sorry, number 1 C, number 2 B, number 3 A. Okay. Now children, next page number 72. There also remaining 4 and 5 are there. That one also you can complete on your textbook only. Next, I will send the notes, classwork notes to you. You have to complete in your classwork notes. Okay. Next, they given A4. Hit with your friends. See, like clouds also you can bump with your friends anytime. So did you cry? If you push to each other, you come to teacher and telling, ma'am, he is pushing, she is pushing. No, suddenly it will be happen. So like that only you can do. What happened in your class? Can tell. So find 4 pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Rhyming words you have to find out in yourself. Next, page number 73, same like that only another one poem, Rain in Summer. That one also you can learn. Next, creative corner also there. This is your homework. Okay. Page number 73, creative corner for your homework. I hope you all can understand this poem. So today I can say bye to you. Bye children.